Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch for beginners. First, understand the three core roles: tank, damage, and support. Tanks protect the team, damage heroes eliminate enemies, and support heroes heal and buff allies. Pick a hero that feels comfortable for you, perhaps one with simpler abilities. Always complete the in-game tutorial. It teaches essential movement, aiming, and how to use your hero's unique skills effectively. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your first matches. Overwatch features several game modes, each with distinct objectives. For example, in Escort, you push a payload, while in Control, you capture and hold points. Your primary goal is always the objective, not just getting eliminations. Work closely with your team. A coordinated effort is far more effective than individual heroics. Use your hero's unique abilities strategically to help achieve the current objective, whether it's healing allies or breaking enemy defenses. Effective combat in Overwatch requires practice. Spend time in the training range to refine your aiming and movement skills. Communication is key. Use the in-game ping system or voice chat to coordinate with your teammates. Knowing when to use your ultimate ability is critical. Don't just use it randomly. Save it for key moments, like pushing an objective or countering an enemy ultimate, to maximize its impact and turn the tide of a fight. As you gain experience, start learning about hero counters. Certain heroes are more effective against others, and understanding these matchups can give your team a significant advantage. Pay attention to your team's composition and try to fill any missing roles. Watching professional gameplay or educational videos can also greatly improve your strategic thinking and awareness. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.